All right, we are on the Nieuw Amsterdam, room 6142. We just arrived. Large mirror over the bed. Down here, there are switches and a USB and some drawers. Pictures across from the bed. Hooks there. TV. Desk area with mirror over it. And more switches, USB outlets. Water, I think they're like $6. Refrigerator, fully stocked, and we'll let them know to take all of that out and put in there what we would like. Chair. There is a garbage can under there. The carpet is like new. I don't know when they did it, but it is definitely recent. It's very clean.
Bouncy.
And feels like there's a lot of padding underneath. And then there's a couch area with table and picture. And there's the switches again, and a USB, and a phone, and a remote, and drawers. Out here, it's a beautiful yacht going by. We're in Fort Lauderdale. And here's the balcony. One table, 2 chairs, both with the little footstools pushed underneath. We're way in the back of the ship. And I'll show you overall view of the room. Closet set up. Oh, gonna make that smaller. Safe, extra hangers, beach towels, hanging area, life vests, another life vest, and more hanging and shelves. Put the card in to operate the room. And the bathroom. Some shelves. Soap and lotion. So that's the bathroom. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash. That's the room. We've been in one like this before. This is our first time on the Amsterdam, but the Eurodam is just like it, so we know already that we like the room. Hi, Bun.
Bye.
So we also did a cabin tour of the Eurodam. Same table setup that goes up and down depending on if you're wanting to use it as a coffee table or as a table to eat room service off of. That's it. Looking forward to our trip. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching our video.
Like and subscribe
to see what's next.